Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hop. So continue with the evening darlings, I'm going to do a main course, which is, I'm going to start off with, I think I've done this before, but it's going to be a little bit fancier. I'm going to do a little bit of a butter bean and a mixed vegetable base with poached monkfish on top. So let me show you. First of all, in here was tomatoes, peppers, onions, with some olive oil and some garlicky salt. We put that in. This is going to have some cream in it as well. I'm going to cook that exactly. There's no need for it on at all.
No, it's fine. Now you can turn it off.
So now I'm going to add the beans, which is these queen butter beans that I've used before. I'm also going to use some canali beans. Shake and vac, put the freshness back. After doing my Zoe, I'm a little carb intolerant. So rather than having a complex carb like rice and pasta and stuff, I'm sticking to beans. And the other thing with beans is they're full of fibre. So I shit for whales. You asked. I'm also going to add a little bit of Tom Parker cream. We know we like a bit of cream from Tom Parker. And we're just going to reduce that down. And when it's almost reduced down, I'm going to add some spinach. Got to have a bit of greens. So as my dietitian said, beans, greens and berries. So there where the greens are going in. So I'm going to sear off the monkfish. These are monkfish tails I've just cut into medallions. Yeah. Generous portions for 6. Yeah, once you've just sealed the monkfish, just get a little bit of colour on it. Well, there's because a monkfish is just a big head. Have you seen a monkfish? It's the ugliest looking fish you've ever seen. It's like got just a big ugly mouth, and then the tail is where the meat is, and it's just one bone. So unlike other fish, it's got little bones. It's got one bone in the monkfish. So it's quite meaty. So it's only the tail you ever have really. It's just the head and the tail. So yeah, once you just sear it off like that. Add a little bit of wine. I've got this is way too good to use on it, but seeing as we've got special people in tonight, we've got this lovely little Merlot, white Merlot from France. Splash a bit of that in. I'm going to add, in here is butter, garlic, lemon rind and lemon juice and some pepper. Just let that cook down. I'm just going to put a little bit of dill in. Dill goes well with the monkfish, by the way. So, well, dill goes well with most fish actually. I like it with salmon as well. So. This is my monkfish and mixed bean casserole. And if you like me that much, and please subscribe.